vlog. So today is Sunday. And ayan, dadalhin namin ng mga bata sa park kasi gusto nilang pumunta sa park. So ayan, naisipan ko na rin na mag-video today dahil meron akong premiere tomorrow. And also, I wanna meet my friend. Dati ko na siya kakilala. Member ko siya sa Facebook and we decided na mag-meet today. And sana maabutan ko siya kasi pupunta sila ng beach. And at the same time, pupunta rin kami sa park. Tadalhin namin mga bata sa park para mag-enjoy naman sila kahit lockdown. So yun guys, samahan niyo kami and I hope you like this video. Hi!
Hi. With these rings, I claim...
I forgot my ring.
With these rings, I claim you as mine.
I am yours. Thank you. We're leaving na guys. Say hi. Say it again.
Hi everyone. Today we're going to go to the park. Hi guys. We're in the park and we're going now. And it's grown up and
Malamig dito kaya mga naka-jacket kami. Son, you got a big belly.
I do. I'm well fed.
How many months are you?
I'm well fed. 3 months.
3 months already. Wow.
6 months to go.
We are going to the park. Nice view. Looks like we're going up in a mountain.
Is this where they are camping out?
I'm not sure. We're in Sweetwater Summit.
This is where they're
I think they're
parked there.
Okay guys, we're here.
Park around.
It's a new car. What did you say?
So when I saw my car, it has a black mask and it looks like a robber.
Looks like a robber.
Yeah.
So ayan guys, andito na kami sa park. Excited na ang mga bata. Ayan, mahilig sila kasi pumunta sa park. Kaya ayan, pinagbigyan. Since Sunday naman, usually pag Sunday, it's a family day. So kaya ayan, they need time to enjoy naman. Kahit lockdown, dinadala talaga namin ng mga bata sa playground para mag-enjoy naman sila. Hindi laging nasa house, ganyan. They need more exposure. Kailangan nila ng different environment. Yan. See? Nag-enjoy sila. Ganyan lang. Ganyan ang buhay. Hi, baby. You like that one? Where are you going now? Where are you going? So, okay naman pala itong park na ito. Walang masyadong mga maliit lang siya. Tapos, over there, pwede kayong mag-picnic. Kami lang nandito sa park, guys. Walang katao-tao. Solong-solo na ang park. Hey, boy! You gotta be careful. You're gonna fall. Man, look at him. Be careful, boy.
You don't have your helmet on.
That's too high. That's too high, hon. Scary. Look at Jenna, John. You gotta do the same thing. Look at Jenna. You gotta push yourself back. You wanna go on a swing? Oh, there's only 2 swing in here. Hi. Are you having fun so far?
No, our fun will start later.
Hi guys! So ayan, nandito na kami sa Imperial Beach. Dito namin imimit yung friend ko, si Bing Smith. Friend ko siya online. So mag-meet dito. Dito kasi sila ng family niya. So wait namin sila dito. There she is! I can see you! Hi sis! Hello Sisi! How are you? First time! Hindi kita mahal. Okay, so this is my friend. Her name is Bing Smith. Nanggaling pa sila sa Arizona. And then nandito sila ngayon sa San Diego.
What part of Arizona are you from?
No, I just traveling. We originally came from Louisiana.
Louisiana?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And we traveled.
I'm a New Orleans Saints fan.
Oh, okay. That's good. Me, I'm cowboy fans.
Cowboy fans.
You guys are you guys cousins?
No.
No.
We look the same.
Are we?
You don't even know. This is the first time we gonna,
What?
first time we meet.
What part of the islands are you from?
I'm from Luzon.
Luzon?
Davao.
Davao, oh, Mindanao.
She's from Mindanao.
Okay,
So we don't really know each other.
okay. I've been to Davao and North Cotabato. I've been there.
That's Jen. His name is Jess. Hello, Jess.
Jess, how old are you, Jess?
6 years
6.
old.
Okay. So is
Jenna
this
is
one.
6 years
Jenna's
old
6
too.
too.
Jenna, do you know he's a YouTuber? He has his own YouTube channel.
And you also, right? Wow.
Yeah, they have their own channel too. They're kids vloggers.
Hey,
Oh,
Neil.
that's the
How's it
guy.
going, man?
Hello.
I mean, I've heard this is such great weather here in San Diego.
Not today.
Not today.
Are you guys having fun? Yeah. Hi, Jess. You got a new friend there, Jess. Kids don't speak Tagalog. They don't understand what you're saying.
What?
She said, "Wag kang ganyan." Wag kang ganyan. That was fun.
Gusto mo dito sa ano? Sa San Diego?
I like San Diego. Parang Pinas lang din. Oo. Yan guys, ang ganda ng place. Nakikita nyo ba lahat ng yan? The island. This is mine. Lahat ng nakikita nyo na yan sa paligid ko ay pagmamayan ko. This is all mine. Ganda ng dagat guys. Ang lamig. Lakas ng alon. The kids enjoy the water.